Ynys Môn, as well as the rest of the world, is facing a global pandemic crisis with COVID-19. Dafydd, can you tell us a little bit about the plans taking place here in Anglesey to help our communities?
Well, first of all, I'd like to say, on behalf of Menter Môn, this is our priority from now on. And we're focused to work with the County Council, with Medrwn Môn and others to respond to this situation. At the moment, we've seen groups develop in communities, and their focus is on ensuring that vulnerable people get food during this lockdown effectively. So we are launching a GoFundMe campaign to raise money to buy food and other supplies so these groups can deliver these to vulnerable people in communities.
As well as food and necessities, are we also looking to support local businesses?
Well, the plan is we'll be looking at a food bank model, but also if we can work with local businesses and suppliers, bakers, butchers, etc., to supply local food for local people, we'll also be using this money to do that as well.
So that's indefinite, that's 100% of the funding will be towards foods and any other necessities for the communities of Ynys Môn.